In this video, we are going to see how to manage the light sources present in the scene through the light panel of the kernel setup. In this scene, I created spherical Octane lights to which I assigned a different light pass ID. This Octane light has the ID 1 light pass. This one has the light pass ID 2. This one has light pass ID 3. And this one has light pass ID 4. Within the light panel, I can manage up to 20 light pass IDs. I can also create groups of light sources with the same ID. In addition, I can also manage the Octane daylight and the environment. Of course, we can do the same thing by using a texture emission node. Within the emission texture node, we have the option to assign the desired light pass ID. In the light panel, we have a drop-down menu that gives us the possibility to manage light pass IDs by enabling or disabling them. Now let's activate light pass ID 1. As we can see, the scene now lights up. Now let's activate light pass ID 2. Let's activate the light pass ID 3, and lastly also the light pass ID 4. Here's the whole scene lit up. From the light panel, we can also manage the Octane daylight and the environment. For example, we can activate the environment and also the Octane daylight. Now let's reactivate the 4 Octane lights. Below, we can decide to temporarily deactivate the effects of the light sources with invert light linking. For example, if we select light pass ID 1, we will have our light source but not its effects within the scene. For example, if we select light pass ID 1, we will have our light source but not its effects within the scene. So I can turn off light pass ID 2 and light pass ID 3 as well, and here we have only light pass ID 4 active in the scene. So we'll have the whole scene lit only by this light source, but we'll still see the other light sources. If I turn off the last one as well, here I have no more lighting of any kind. For example, by activating the environment, we return to having partial lighting of the scene. Together with the Octane light, I can also activate the Octane daylight, and here is the result. This lighting management panel is very convenient because it avoids having to search for the various light sources in the scene. Select them one by one to activate or deactivate them as needed.